The accelerating digital transformation across industries drives enterprise networks towards a fully wireless era. As an increasing number of mobile terminals are accessing the network, it is vital that networks can be accessed anytime, anywhere, and with a consistent user experience. As such, network O&M pros urgently look for a new way to guarantee optimal terminal experience as well as consistent user experience on a multi-vendor network. In traditional approaches, ACLs or VLANs are adopted to control users' network access based on their IP addresses. Such approaches are ineffective for today's users, with 2 or 3 mobile terminals each and the influx of IoT endpoints. Furthering to this, networks are constantly expanding in scale, making access control policies increasingly complex. Network reliability also decreases drastically, which is a disaster for administrators. To overcome these challenges, Huawei released a game-changing, user-group-based free mobility solution in 2014. This solution provides what you see is what you get. WYSIWAG access control policies, ideal for mobile office spaces. With this solution, policies move with mobile users as they roam. Huawei's free mobility solution goes further than the traditional ACL-based access control mode by adopting user control lists, UCLs, that are customized based on the WYSIWAG policy matrix. It also uses natural language to define access control policies. The result is highly simplified, user-oriented policy management. In addition, the UCL decouples service policies from IP quintuple policies. This greatly reduces the number of policies and keeps the number of policies unchanged when users roam. Another important differentiator of UCLs is that they do not occupy device resources, meaning there is no risk of the device breaking down due to a lack of device resources. Nowadays, network deployment becomes increasingly complex, and devices from many more vendors are co-deployed. This gives rise to a key issue. How can consistent service experience be guaranteed on a multi-vendor network? To overcome this challenge, Huawei iMaster NCE Campus provides Free Mobility 3.0, which uses IP group technology to separate authentication points from policy enforcement points. Similar to a dynamic identity identification system, IP group technology can accurately identify user information no matter where and how users access the network. In this way, Huawei Cloud Engine S-Series switches can correctly enforce policies on multi-vendor networks, implementing free mobility across multi-vendor networks. This approach protects customers' existing investment, simplifies network management, and ensures consistent user experience. Free Mobility 3.0 is orchestrated using natural language, achieving matrix-based simplified management, cross-vendor deployment, and one-off policy configuration. It also guarantees consistent roaming experience of users moving throughout a fully wireless campus, improving user satisfaction and management efficiency, as well as slashing OPEX. Free Mobility 3.0 of Huawei iMaster NCE Campus simplifies campus network management in the fully wireless era.